Well, good morning and welcome. Today is the first day of our France trip. It's just after 6 in the morning, so I'm just going to meet my mate who I'm going away with. Bikes are packed, obviously. Forecast is terrible for the drive down, for the ride down, should I say. But I was expecting it to be absolutely belting down already, so the fact that it's not is definitely a bonus. Should be a good 4 days. We've got a tunnel crossing at around about 12:30 today, so should give us plenty of time to get down to Folkestone from our neck of the woods in that sort of time. It's about 200 miles, so a steady trip down, 40, around 25, and then down to 20, so it should be good. Anyway, stay tuned and we'll catch up later. Oh, look at that, that's just the ticket.
I looked at the and I thought there's no fucking way, but you gotta get all that in that little.
I genuinely don't know how I've managed to fill 2 panniers and a tank bag. That way. Right then, just stopped at Beaconsfield. Decent trip down. I'll be about not far off halfway. So yeah, no rain so far, just a bit of spitting, but I don't want to push my luck. So hopefully getting over to Folkestone at about 11ish. It's about 8:30 now, so a bit of a way to go yet. But stay tuned and see what happens. So just check pockets, all done up tight. Right then, I've put the curse on us. Just leaving Maidstone services, probably about 40 away from the tunnel. And I've just swapped my visor, my dark visor, and put summer gloves on. So we're almost guaranteed to get rain now. Shut those vents. So far, the trip down has been really good. Aside from almost losing the GoPro off the pannier just as I got onto the M25, it's all been pretty uneventful really, pretty plain sailing. The traffic's been good. Looking forward to getting into France. Gotta be said though, actually I don't know why, but I was sort of dreading this trip down, this last down on the motorway, thinking, you know what, 200 miles is quite a long way, but in all fairness, credit to the beast here and this little touring screen, it's been very pleasant, you know. Not doing silly speeds, just cruising at a okay pace, a bit windy, but been pretty good, don't feel too stiff. Decision when we get on the train and think what we want to do depending on what train we get on when we get to France. So it may be that we come down the western coast from Calais and then shoot across east. We're staying sort of Maubeuge is sort of southeast, more east of Calais. No, southeast of Calais. So we're heading towards the Champagne and Ardennes region. And tomorrow we're staying in Sedan. So we're going to be there for 2 nights so we can get panniers off, bags off, you know, and enjoy the local roads Sunday. Do I want to self-check in? No. The 943.
One of them, you know, like just finding your feet. Obviously, 50s 30, 70s 50.
Yeah.
Are you old school or?
Yeah. Right then, we need to summarise day one, Jonathan.
Wet is the summary. Wet from tea time.
So we got the tunnel over early and rode from Calais to Ypres to see the War Memorial. Filmed a bit of that, but then from Ypres it absolutely pissed down, and the long and short of it was we got piss wet through. Wanted to get to the digs and couldn't be asked to film basically. Couple of notable things happened. Pannier opened on the motorway. Having gone down a massive pothole, pannier opened. Luckily didn't lose anything, but could have lost MacBook. But anyway, we made it to Maubeuge, to the Campanile. Gotta say, for 40 quid, it's a steal.
If you just I had a live cow for tea.
Yeah, I'll have the ribeye steak, please. How would you like that cooked, sir?
Don't.
Medium.
Just don't.
So we've got kit absolutely everywhere. Batteries charging, kit everywhere. I've just noticed this actually, which you need to come and see. In the bathroom, we have trying to dry gloves because they're absolutely wringing wet, soaked. But why, John, have you got a massive pair of scissors?
Well, one never knows. We'd like to sneak something in.
Anyway, so that'll do for now. We did about 365 miles ish, and today we're heading down to Sedan, or the Sudan, I think, as John thinks. Should be a better day for riding, filming. Weather looks better, so I'll see you in a bit.